Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy Bethiya. Students, myself Dr. Janan, and we have the topic positive and normative economics of microeconomics class level. The student, positive economics deals with such economic issues related to the present, past and future. It studies such economic issues which can be verified by using facts and figures. It deals with the statements. Positive economics deals with the statement of what is, what was and what would be. Positive economics, positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics deals with some such economic situation which can be verified by using facts and figures. These statements, it means the statements of the positive economics are related to what is, what was and what could be. What could be. On the other hand, normative economics is the economics of what ought to be. What ought to be. It is related to the opinions of the economics. It is related to the opinions of economists or value judgment. Or value judgment. It is not related to opinions. Not related to opinion. Positive economics is not related to the opinion of the economics. The statements of the positive economics can be verified by using facts and figures and can be said that false or true. But normative economics include the opinions of the economists on the economic issues. It relates to the value judgment. For example, on the eve of independence, a large part of our population was suffered with unemployment and poverty. It is the positive economics. It can be verified. It can be verified by using facts and figures and we conclude that the given statement is true or false. On the other hand, normative economics doesn't include such statements. It can't be verified by using facts and figures because it is related to the opinions of the economists. For example, Manrega will bring the end of the rural unemployment one day in our country. It is the opinion of the economist. It may be true or may be false. It can't be verified. For example, we take the second opinion, opinion of an economist that distribution of the old age pension is good. It will help our old age people. Second economist say old age pension is not good. We should stop. These are the opinions of the economists. These are the opinions of the economists, and it is called normative economics. Now you have understand that normative economics basically concerned with the opinion of economists. It is the economic of the what ought to be. It includes the value judgment. On the other hand, positive economics deals with such economic situation which can be verified by using facts and figures. The positive statement can be true or false. We make a clear decision by using the facts and figure. It is related to the economic situation of present, past and future. Now watch the next video.